Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom resolution in the NVIDIA Control Panel step by step. Whether you're adjusting for better performance, scaling for a specific monitor, or just experimenting, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, right-click on your desktop and select NVIDIA Control Panel from the menu. If it doesn't appear, make sure your graphics drivers are properly installed and updated. In the NVIDIA Control Panel, look at the menu on the left. Under Display, click on Change Resolution. You'll see your current screen resolution settings here. Below the list of available resolutions, click on the Customize button. In the new window that appears, check the box that says Enable Resolutions Not Exposed by the Display. Then click on Create Custom Resolution. Now a new window will pop up. Here you can set horizontal pixels, width, vertical lines, height, refresh rate, Streichen. You can also tweak the timing settings, but for most users, the default values work just fine. Once you've entered your custom resolution, click Test. Your screen will go black for a second. Don't worry, this is normal. If the display looks good, click Yes to keep the settings. After the test, your custom resolution will be saved. Now you can go back to the Change Resolution section and select it from the list. Click Apply to use your new resolution, and that's it. You've successfully created and applied a custom resolution in the NVIDIA Control Panel. If this helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more PC tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.